Hello, this is Namir Science Lab and this is Mechanix4 Toy and it's very cool and this is my toy I brought in a toy store. Look, there's instructions I'm bringing and it has a mechanics robot. Now we gotta make a crane. First I'm choosing which one I want and it's the crane. And it's on the box. So let's make it. So it shows what we need and steps. Now we got a lot of things, but first we have to wrap out the cover. Now there's so many pieces, like 4 square and needed more. This is the instruction to make the crane. Has 4 modules. Let's make one by one. Here's the bolts and screws. Now I'm making the crane. I attach 2 green ones at the side and leave one little piece at the other side of this red point. I have to check for the first module. I take the green piece and make it standing. Now I got 2 red hanging pieces that it's like turning around. Now we are making the crane module. Now the blue platform is on the red platform. Now we are screwing them tightly. This building toy is great. Well, we can build stuff with more by using these small pieces to make big things. And these things are so cool. Either I saw a race car on this instruction platform. Hey guys, it's very fun. I think it's very fun to fix this. And it takes a long time to fix. That's why it's a little bit hard, but it needs more time. Now we are attaching these 2 hexagon half shaped. Now we are attaching these and the 2 wheels on the side. Now we made the pulley. This is our second pulley. Now we have to attach those 2. We have to put that stand-like part and attach the wheels later. I found this iron stick that shapes like a handle to rotate. This wheel will control the crane's lifting part. Now it's rotating. Can you see those little holes? They are for tightening up. Now here's the 2 parts and now this is the first pulley. Hi guys, we are almost finished to the 3rd module. Now these are the parts to make the crane controller and lifting part. This lifting part will help us to lift our load. Look how it is. Then we attach them like this. Wow, it looks like a triangle comet hitting the earth. Now we attach them to the side and now the crane is ready. Wow, this triangle comet like actually scratches and these scratch. Now our crane is ready. Woo! Finally, attach the wheels. Now it's ready. Wow! It looks so cool. Now we just play with it and re-separate to make another one. You can make one model at a time. I go to connect the third, second and first and fourth pulleys with the thread. Now let's see how it works. Wow! The crane is working so satisfying. Wow! We can also lift it very high. Now this is my airplane. I like this one. This is my most favorite one. And it's very cool. I just love this toy called Mechanix. 20 cool models. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe my channel.